Steel mills are some of the most hostile manufacturing environments imaginable. The combination of heat, dirt and water not only challenges steelworkers, but they're also the enemy of good lubrication. The biggest problems these conditions create are bearing failure, corrosion and excessive oil consumption. At Mobil, we believe our field engineers have the answer: high-quality circulation oils. Here's a simple lubrication system, typical of the type found in a steel plant. To maintain optimum performance, it's important to keep the circulating oil free from contaminants. Let's start by looking at the lubrication systems in a rolling mill. Plain bearings are critical components of a rolling mill. Their failure can lead to expensive maintenance and stoppages. To effectively lubricate the large bearing, the oil needs to create a protective film to avoid metal-on-metal wear. Here, cooling water is a key challenge. In the event of a seal failure, water could leak into the circulation system and lead to rust and poor lubrication, which can trigger premature bearing failure. This is where Mobil Vacouline 100 series high-performance circulating oils get to work. Their high-quality base stocks and additives deliver superior demulsibility and excellent property retention. They also offer good seal compatibility and a long service life, which reduces oil consumption, lowering lubrication costs. Now, let's look at lubrication systems in a wire rod mill. Here we have similar challenges with water ingress, which can trigger additive depletion, reduce wear protection, and result in bearing and gearbox failure. Mobil Vacouline 500 series oils possess all the necessary properties to protect against these issues. Finally, let's focus on the circulating system's lubricant tank. Water and production debris often find their way back to the tank. It's therefore crucial to select a lubricant with strong demulsibility and particulate separation, such as Mobil Vacouline Circulating Oils. ExxonMobil works closely with leading equipment builders to scientifically engineer lubricants that offer superior equipment protection, even in the most extreme environments. To fully optimize steel mill protection, Mobil field engineers work side by side with plant operators to create bespoke lubrication solutions. To find out more, visit mobil.com/industrial and contact our field engineers.